Whoa, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back. I think a storm is rolling in. It's been a while since I've been to this spot, say about a month. I don't know what to expect because we had like 2-3 days of nice rainfall, and I think the water went up, then it went back down. So I'm hoping these fish are stuck in the pockets that normally fish. Small river, so I gotta work it efficiently, and hopefully we can find it. See if we catch some fish for you guys. Enjoy the nature. It's beautiful out, it's hot out, sticky, so yeah. Oh yeah, good old stomping ground. Yeah, I think the water did go up a little bit because it's like wet-ish, if that make any sense. So that's pretty cool. Let's go with the good old night crawlers. Oh yeah. Scared the crap out of me. Oh, look at that guy. Big red worm. It's been a while since I got dirty for you guys. Hope that's the case today, right? Yeah, it's like weird high wind storms coming in. There's a rock pile right here, but in that little stretch is where I wanna. Oh my god, my casting is terrible. There we go. That's a oh dude, that's a nice fish. Nice rock bass. Whoa! Goodness. Look at that guy. Whoa. Dude, oh my gosh. That's a nice rock bass. Whoa. That's crazy. Beautiful fish. Wow. Need to do a better job making sure there's no water spots on my lens. There we go. Smaller guy. Dang. There's a family in there, dude. What you guys doing in there, man? Sheesh. And as soon as the bait hit the floor. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh, jeez. It's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Look how they fight, dude. It's another nice fish. Sheesh. Ultralight tackle. Big rock bass. Can't beat it. You just can't. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Look how feisty they are. It's not that big, but they're loaded in there. And they're so fat. Goodness. That's so cool. Oh, that was cool, dude. Boy, you came out of nowhere. That was slick. Wow. They don't fight as hard as when the water's cooler, but still. That was just awesome to watch him eat my worm. There we go. There we go. Yeah. I knew they were here somewhere. Oh, you're peeing. What the heck? You guys spawning? That's a nice fish. It's a real nice fish. Oh my gosh. What is that? It's a smallie. Goodness. Oh my goodness. I didn't think he was going to be there. Or she. Oh no, it broke me off. Oh man, that was a good smallie. You inhaled that bait. It's okay. A nice like 2.5 pound smallie, dude. Whoa. Alright, here we go. Just let it sit there and see what happens. Got him. That's a catfish. Dude, I got a catfish, dude. Oh my gosh. What? I got a catfish. No way. It's a channel. Check it out. That's a nice channel. Oh my goodness. I'll keep him over here. Dude, I got a catfish. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I don't care if I break off. I see it now, so. Yeah, see this. Yeah, the other one was a smallie. This is a catfish. It's a nice channel. What the heck? Oh, jeez. He's just peeling away. Goodness. Nope, death roll. 4-pound test. Gotta be very patient. Make sure he's tired out. He's not ready yet. I definitely don't want to break my rod. That's why you should bring a net, David. I actually bought a net. I just forgot all about it. Yep, death row. See, you got yourself all wrapped up, shawty. Yeah, there we go. That's a nice channel. Wow. Multi-species today. Yes, dude. It's a clean freaking fish. Nope, I can't gill him. Just gonna hold it like that for you guys. Nice. Alright, back you go. It's a bullfin right here. He got it. Oh my gosh. He got it. Dude, no, I don't know what to do with it. Chill, relax. He ate my worm. Let's go. Oh my gosh. That was cool. I watched him just pick it up too. That was sweet. Nice. I just wanted to catch you for a species purpose. Oh, relax. Chill. It's not that I'm afraid of them. It's just they're so strong. They flap like that, yeah. And they get crazy. Jeez, buddy. Alright. Nice and slow. Back into the water. These things can like live on land for a really long time. Gosh. The moment of truth right here. This spot is freaking magic. I don't know what it is. Probably a smallie. Oh yeah, it's a smallie. Look at him run. He runs like a psychopath, dude. Look at him. Goodness. It was so much fun. No, it's just like a 1-pounder. They were there this whole time. Sit down with him so I can land him better. Yeah, it's not even that big. Freaking fighter, dude. My goodness. Like the way they fight is just so addicting. Look at that fatty. Goodness. That's so cool. Got another one. Not that big though. Just some good fighters, man. That's it. Jeez, look at them. Yeah, they're not even that big. You just fight so hard. How do you say no to this? It's so cool. Look at them go. It's crazy as heck. Crazy. So much fun. a rock bass. It's a nice rock bass. Oh my god, it's a real nice rock bass. Dude. Wow. It's a beautiful rock bass. Oh jeez. Oh, and it popped off. It's okay. That's a nice rock bass. See if he eats it. It's right by his face. Dude, he ate it again. I lost him and I caught him again. That was cool. Dude, these fish are cool, man. Nice. That's so weird. Like I lost him, and you guys saw that. I lost him and threw it back in there and he ate it again. There we go. That's a better fish, I think. That's a smallie. Yeah, just a aggressive smallie. It's a better smallie though, that's for sure. I'm gonna fight him over here. Just trying to go back down. Jeez, look at him. That's so freaking cool, man. Oh, so much fun. How can you not want to do this? There we go. There we go. That's a nice fish. Oh, I thought it was a giant rock bass. I was gonna say. Just a smallie. Whoa, this one is mean, dude. Oh my gosh. This is a mean smallie. Dang, that's crazy how aggressive they are. Like non-stop. It's so aggressive. It's insane, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez, and I drop them. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. It's not even that big. They just fight so hard. Man. Unbelievable. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. That's a smallie. That might be the same guy that I lost. Yep. That's a smallie. No, it's a little smaller. It's not the big one I saw earlier, that's for sure. He's trying to dig me into the weeds. He's crazy smart. I bought a small net and I didn't bring it, man. Oh gosh. Nice, dude. Man, that's so awesome. How do you freaking say no to that? Gosh. So pretty. Alright, well I think that's it, guys. That was cool. Caught a lot of fish. It's good to know that they're still here. I seriously thought it was gonna be whack. That's why I brought worms. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I sure did. I enjoyed this outing. It was fun. It was exciting. Caught catfish, caught smallies, bullfin, rock bass, bluegill, you name it. So much fun. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below. Hit the thumbs up. See you guys very, very soon. Peace.